Well, happy Saturday, everybody. Jim Hanson here coming at you on Saturday. So this is the Saturday version of Mortgage, Real Estate, and Life, coming to you from the Hanson studio, somewhat, dining room, whatever you want to call it. And I got a nice picture of the Sutter Buttes in the background. See Sutter Buttes back there? Some nice mallards coming in for a landing in the rice fields. And therefore, we're going to go back to last week. We talked about the market changing a little bit. Maybe properties are sitting on the market a little bit longer and sellers might be in a position to help buyers with closing cost credit. I talked about buy downs, that sort of thing. And I just want to be a little more specific this week on a buy down, a 2-1 buy down, which I just calculated one on a buyer that we're working with, that me and Michael Carrasco are working with. And on a 2-1 buy down on like a $710,000 purchase, we calculated a buy down where the seller would, instead of dropping the price 15 grand, would help the buyer with a $14,500 credit towards a buy down. That saves about 14 grand in payments over 2 years. So in the first year, the payment is $784 lower, and the second year, $401 lower. So this comes into play in a couple of situations. So if someone is anticipating a raise, a promotion, more hours, something like that, where they know their income is going to be a little bit higher in the future, they might be able to handle that payment that's going to come up 1-2 years down the road. Here's the key part about it. So if you do a buy down and you pay for it, or the seller pays for it up front, and you refinance it, that would be the kind of the goal, would be whatever's left in that buy down account of that $14,000 that the seller paid is left over. Anything that's left over gets to be a principal reduction for the buyer, so the money's not lost. Keep that in mind. If you need some help with that, specifically, any situation you might have a buyer, you might be a buyer, you might have a seller, I can help you with all those scenarios. Just call Jim Hanson, 916-730-4402. Look me up on the web, jimhanson.net, and we'll take it from there. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday and have a super awesome one. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks.